So, how do you use Emy? Let's go. Fully charge your Emy Kegel trainer. The indicator light goes out when Emy is fully charged. Activate the Bluetooth. On Android smartphones, also enable location. Please do not pair Emy with your phone in the Bluetooth settings. Launch the application. Click on Start My Training Session, then select with my Kegel trainer, Emy. Shake Emy to turn it on. Emy is ready to be connected to the application. Insert Emy and make yourself comfortable. Connect Emy to the mobile application. Click on I'm ready. Emy will quickly and automatically connect. Enjoy your training session with Emy. More information on our website.